back to day 3. Yesterday kind of was interesting as far as we didn't really film much, but we also didn't really do much. It was a lot of running around, getting parts, and like yesterday, we were so tired at the end of the day that like I wasn't even in shot because I framed incorrectly, but we just wanted to go home. So, and that's easier for some of us, but anyway.
Get your own garage at your house if you want to.
I know. But yeah, we're back for day 3, and we're going to try to hopefully get more done today. Hopefully the remainder of the parts that I ordered should be in today, hopefully. So we can hopefully start really putting stuff together. I mean, we checked that the parts fit, and the parts that are mostly fit so far. We haven't really had any issues with that, which is surprising, almost problematic how surprising that is. But yeah, hopefully we can start bolting things up soon and getting this back on the 4 wheels until we go and lift up the back, because we don't know what horrors lie in store back there.
We're not going to think about it. We're just going to do.
Yep.
Don't think, just do.
Yep. So.
Do.
I don't want to get copyright claimed. Galen just finished getting rid of the old riveted on upper ball joints. I am slouching a ton right now because I need to get in shot. So Galen just jumped over my fender. Anyway, Galen right now is working on removing the brake lines. Ow!
It's okay.
Galen is right now working on removing the upper brake or the brake lines after he just removed the upper ball joints that were riveted on. But in removal of that, we have discovered that these are 2 different parts. We have 2 different upper ball joints that were shipped to us. The one that we opened first, we like. This one is more like the original style, which is cool, but like it's gonna be hard to deal with, and it also doesn't have bolts. So if we can get bolts like the other one, that'd be cool. So we're gonna have to go return this, which is fine. But in the meantime, as I said earlier, we're gonna go work on brake lines, which is gonna be all kinds of fun, as you probably heard from Galen's screams of agony and panic. So I will go help him now. Galen, how's it going?
It's going pretty okay. I'm just finishing pulling out the last of the old brake lines, then we'll bend up some new ones, throw those in, and everything will be all hunky-dory.
Oh, that's optimistic.
Mm-hmm. It is. Oh! So, I haven't put the boot on yet, you'll have to excuse that. But, if I get it up out of the way like that. If we turn the car on, before, Seth had no way of knowing what gear he was in. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it from over there, but probably. So if we turn the car on, now, shift indicator. Oh yeah, and it actually works. Reverse. Neutral, drive. This is in the way now, probably. First. Yeah. I'm pretty proud of that. There's a little sensor you put on the transmission shifter arm. It's got kind of a rheostat deal in it. I think rheostat, yeah. And it uses differences in resistance to tell the control box what to light up on here. So you just program it and then it's good to go.
Wow.
Yeah?
Galen, what have you got cooking there?
You know, some brake line stuffs.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. I am in pain. What I have cooking here is, well, I finished the brake lines that run to the front brakes. All we have to do is hook up the flexible lines now and put the new wheel cylinders in. This is just the lines that run from the distribution block over to the master cylinder. So I'm finishing these up so that we can get the rest of this put together and start bleeding these. Today, what did we get done? We went and picked up more parts, which we immediately lost. So Seth's gonna go pick up even more parts on his way home so that we can replace the ones that we just lost. All new brake lines in the car from the firewall forward. All the brake hardware is back in, shoes, springs, all that stuff. We gotta get the hubs done tomorrow. I gotta press the studs into the hubs. We're gonna see how that goes.
We don't have a press anymore. We don't have a hydraulic press.
It should be fine. We'll figure it out. Once that's done, we can get the drums back on and get the car back on the ground and start figuring out our alignment and stuff. Make sure that all of that is good so you can actually go down the road straight. Or to the road.
Yeah. We need to get there first.
Yeah.
Which is up in the air with.
It's only about 40 feet away, but that's pushing it sometimes.
Yeah.
Once we get the front all dialed in like that, we can go to the back and at least make sure there are some brakes there, and if there are, we're just gonna roll with it. Because really all you need is front brakes. They do 75 to 80% of the braking anyways.
Yeah.
So we will get that dialed in and get the motor tuned up. So tomorrow, you'll definitely see this back on the ground, and maybe you'll see it running. We'll see. That depends on if it wants to play ball with us or not.
Might not.
Tomorrow. We're getting to it.